Hi, this is a little introduction to curves in Curvy 3D. Curvy 3D is predominantly sketch based. So you draw curves and then you can edit them into different shapes. Now, at the moment we've got a very simple lathe object with one curve. And I'm going to show you a few tools we can use. This is the scissor tool. We can trim off the end of a curve. This is the widget move tool. We can soft drag portions of the curve. Also with this tool we can change the shape and the size of the area we drag to, say, pull out spiked portions. Increase the resolution a little bit. There we go, another spike portion. Then there's the draw details tool, which lets us redraw a small part of the curve. Let's see, next we could redraw the whole curve at once. That's useful if there's several curves in the object. Then there's the smooth tool, which I usually just press S. You see the curves getting flattened out. There's also the ruler tool, which lets you straighten out portions of a curve. There are several different types of rulers which we can pick from the curve menu. So for instance, if we wanted to make a semicircle, we'd drag between 2 points and it would turn it into a smooth curve. Or if you wanted to make a part of an ellipse, it can sort of smooth off and trim off curves nicely. Let's redraw as a Bezier. That gives you a very gentle, gradual effect. And you can also use redraw as just a local smooth, so to smooth off little parts of the curve. We can also apply those same tools to the whole curve, like if you wanted to turn the whole curve into a Bezier. Now let's try something else. We can duplicate a curve in place, or we can duplicate a curve along the mirror axis. So here we've made a mirrored clone. So we're just changing one side of the object. This is useful for making almost symmetrical objects. One last thing we've got, I'll just trim off the ends of these two curves. You see it's like smoothed off the top, almost over smoothed. So we can either choose to open those ends or trim them off with a sharp edge. And we can also change this, how sharp that edge is. Yep, nice sharp edge on the top. So that's quite a lot about curves.